Ya, muere. Hay que comer ese. Okay.
Bye bye.
Bye. Get your money. Get your money. Get your money.
Yeah. No, okay. Relax now. Okay? Now you're gonna do nice. Nice job. There you go. There you go. We took it a little bit easy this morning. And I think it's 9:30 somewhere at the moment. But not 100% sure. We took good time. And we're still here. Camping in the garden. But today, after the ride of yesterday with the geo trail, we're just gonna take it easy. Actually, finally head into town and walk into town for a bit. And then there is a small hiking trail which we might do. Okay, let's see if I can do that as well. With my feet hardly touching the ground.
Shall I help you?
Alright. I'm busy.
Okay, I'm not touching. I'm just here, just in case. Okay. My bike is around the corner.
I'll try not to hit it. Yesterday on our way back I went a little bit off the road. So let's not do that again now.
Okay, are you ready? Do you want me to go in front or do you go first?
Well, I will go in front if I thought you have at least a nice view.
Okay, remember this left and then right.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, so we didn't go far and now we are back in town, Kaapsehoop. But today we will go and explore it a little bit more. Actually look at what the town has to offer. And no, it doesn't offer any petrol.
And doesn't offer any food either. Well, except for restaurants, but there's no place to buy groceries either. There was a parking lot a little bit on, a bigger parking lot.
Yeah, but we're just going to park here at Salvador's for now, and then in the shade. Yeah, the trail starts here. That's what you were talking about now, the parking lot. So those little huts there, those wooden houses. There's a little park there. That's where all the trails, the people start walking from.
We've got it all locked. The helmets, the jackets. Well, don't really think it's needed, yeah? But Just to be safe.
There's a path that we want to take that goes to the waterfall, and I'm gonna explore that for a little bit. But yeah, so far it's a very pretty town. Famous wild horses of Kaapsehoop. See, there they are. Hey buddies, chilling there. Hey. You, floppy. Yeah, it's pretty cool to have wild horses roaming your town.
Right, for the permit, 60 rand. So here is the different routes with the hours and the distance and the rating, how easy it is. This is a map of all the hiking trails, so we are around there. I think that's the ones we wanna go to.
Keep following the white footprints, or white footprints. Continue to follow the white footprints.
I think we will just do Battery Creek. I know it's 2 kilometers and it's a lot of climbing, so
That's
I think
fine.
it can be nice.
Okay.
It's difficult rating.
Okay.
I'm gonna try.
Getting lost in the biggest city in the world.
City.
Yeah,
Town.
look at the biggest town in the world. Can't really get lost here. I mean, just need to go that direction. Okay. So, Battery Creek Falls. This is the start of it. So, it says follow the white footsteps. I think that's a cemetery is in front of us. So, yeah, there we go.
Town is right behind you,
There's the town.
so you can still see it. I don't know if you can see it on the GoPro, but right there in front of us is the waterfall. And
Right.
just try to point it out if you can see it on the GoPro.
It's over there, but we'll see it now. Come, let's walk.
So I think saying it's gonna be 2 hours is just because of the climb. Because we are going to go down to the bottom of the waterfall. And I think the 2-hour time frame that they took for this walk is basically getting down to the bottom of the gorge. This is probably the reason why it takes 2 hours.
Yes, so I'll go down first.
Need a hand?
It's alright.
That is where we're going. It doesn't look steep on the GoPro probably, but it is. I'm basically almost pointing down. It looks like we're going down here. It's quite quite slippery. This is quite steep, yeah, and I can see why they say this takes 2 hours. You're not gonna cover a lot of ground very quickly in these conditions. This is like a mountain goat, making it look easy.
We've reached the first bits of water.
It's at least nice and cool down here.
Sorry. They're stuck here. Wait. Can you grab me a stick or something?
There's a leaf.
Yeah, but a dry leaf.
Yeah, that leaf is dry.
Sorry, but they can't go anywhere. They're stuck.
They probably fell out of the tree.
I know, but it's... Alright, do the water crossing then?
A rescue mission. We'll put you there, buddy. Yeah. No, let go of my finger. There you go. Voila. This is still busy with the rescue mission. Alright. Where's mine?
No, we'll put them together.
Bye bye, daddies. Good luck. Successful rescue mission done. Now, mission number 2. Find the waterfall. Just follow the path basically, I think. But we shall see.
So we got to the waterfall. Look how pretty this is.
There's another little waterfall just down the river, so we will go and see what that is.
Little waterfall.
Okay, so we got the little waterfall. Just gonna put our shoes back on and we're gonna make our way back. But this is such a beautiful, beautiful place. It's truly spectacular.
We are back at the steep line.
Oh, good luck. Do it. Cool. Alright, let's do this.
Made it! Everything is still here. Goodbye, Kaapsehoop! Right, so there's no supermarket like we said in Kaapsehoop. Neutral doesn't help, Kissy. So we are going to go to the supermarket, which is closest, which is only like 15-20 kilometers away, so it's not too bad either.
I'm gonna come in front.
It's a nice drive to get food.
Yeah. And after the roads we rode yesterday, I was like, yeah, there's a sharp turn. It's like, this ain't sharp compared to yesterday.
Somebody's listening to music. So the lady that we are staying with gave us instructions, so it should be just across this road. But the petrol station is right there.
Yeah.
It was next to the petrol station, so... There's a little shopping centre here.
Yeah, let's go park in the shade.
So I got something quickly. So it's a brown bread, some water, well, some Sprite, and a breakfast drink. Not sure what it is.
Yogurt with multigrain.
Yogurt with multigrain. And then for tonight, eat some coleslaw salad and some potato salad, nice and easy.
Life on the road, 5-star dining. Awesome. We should take 2 of these, man.
What is it? Tuk tuk? No, tuk tuk.
Tuk tuk.
Tuk tuks. Yeah, so we're all set for today. We are going to head back. Let me tighten this quickly. And then we can sort our lives out a little bit before we pack up the tent again tomorrow morning. We're getting there.
So you're good?
Yeah, you can go first.
Yeah. So I can open the gates.
Can you use this one? Weirder.